Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about a new JavaScript function called sort. This function can be used to sort elements of an array. By default, it will do the sorting in ascending order, but definitely as an optional parameter, you can define your own sorting order. So let's see an example. So let's say I have an array of names where I have this many names. So James, Mike, Kelly, Akash. So these are the names that I have in my array and I want to sort them. So what I can do, I can use the sort function on the names, and if I print now, it will sort them in the ascending order, which is good. And if I print the original array, which is the names, so let me print the original array here, and the original array is the same, and this is a sorted version of the original array. So what I'm trying to explain here is that by using the sort function, it's not going to impact your original array. So now let's change the names to number. Let's say I have this array where the numbers are 100, 23, 56, 12, and then 98. Now if I use, let me get rid of, if I use the sort on the number function, what I'm expecting is that this array will be sorted in ascending order. But as I can see, it's not done. It's not sorted. So what's going on here? The reason for not doing the sorting is that every time you use a sort function on an array, what will happen, the individual element of the array is converted to a string like this. And then the sorting will happen on those string. So it's not actually the numeric value of the 100, but 100 is converted to a string, and then the comparison is happening on top of that. So now how we can do that? So the way to do that, we need to write our callback function and then pass that callback function as a parameter to this sort method. So let me write my callback function, do sort, which will take two number, num1 and num2, and then it will return num1 minus num2. And then let me pass this to the sort function as a parameter. Now if I execute, I can see my array is totally sorted. So this is a way how you can use your callback function and define the sorting criteria. Definitely instead of writing all this, lines of code, you can do the same thing here also, which is num1 and num2, and then return num1 minus num2. So that way you don't need to write the sort function and it will do the same thing. We can always change the sorting behavior from ascending to descending by num2 minus num1, and then that way it's sorted in descending order. So that's cool. So let's take an example of an array where the array contains a list of employees, and each employee is basically an object. So this is the array that I have. So employees array, where these are the name of the employees and their employee number. So what I want to do, I want to sort this array based on the employee number. So what I can do, so let me store the sorted array sort employees equals to employees dot sort, and here I will use the callback function. So the callback function is emp1, which is employee 1 and employee 2, and then it will return me emp1 dot employee number minus emp2 dot employee number. Now, if I print my sort employees, I will see that Kelly becomes first because Kelly Tittner is having the employee number is 24, which is the smallest, followed by Jonathan, Jackie, and James because they're having this, employee number. So this is the way how we can. So this is the way how you can use the sort function to do your sorting, and you can write down your own sorting criteria. I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.